The Form N-600 is for people who are born abroad but are U.S. citizens at birth through a U.S. citizen parent, or who became citizens after birth but before turning 18. This generally happens when the parents become U.S. citizens after the N-600 applicant is born. Here are the steps to follow when you're filling out the N-600 form. Hi, my name is Giselle Rodriguez, and I am an immigration attorney. I am super excited to share some valuable information with you. If you find my videos helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon if you want to be notified of any new videos posted. Step 1. Determine eligibility. You may be eligible if you meet the following requirements, but please note that these conditions must be met before the applicant turns 18. 1. Your parent must be a U.S. citizen. 2. You must be lawfully admitted in the U.S. as a legal permanent resident. 3. You must be the biological child of that U.S. citizen parent. 4. You must be living in the U.S. in the legal and physical custody of that U.S. citizen parent. This does not mean that you must apply before you turn 18, but all of those conditions must be met before you turn 18. Step 2. Download the Form N-600. You can find this form on the USCIS website. You can either submit it via the USCIS portal or mail it traditionally. Step 3. Gather all required documents. This includes marriage certificates, divorce certificates, birth certificates, U.S. passports, your green card, among other documents, and pages 8 through 10 of the N-600 USCIS form instructions list specifically what evidence you will need to submit. Step 4. Complete the Form N-600. Fill out the form neatly and use black ink if you plan on handwriting. Here are also a few things to consider. Use your full legal name. Be honest in your responses. Put NA in any section that does not apply to you. If you need additional space to provide additional information, make sure to attach a piece of paper. Step 5. Review your application. Make sure to read over your application a few times before submitting or have someone else read it to make sure that you've answered everything that applies to you. Step 6. Pay the filing fee. As of the date of this video, the filing fee is $1,170, but if you are a veteran or a member of the armed forces, there is no fee for you. Step 7. Submit your application. If you're submitting the application electronically, great. But if you're mailing it, make sure to double-check the address on the USCIS website. Step 8. Attend the interview if required. Step 9. Wait for USCIS processing. The process can generally take months, but it can also take years, so just be patient. Step 10. Wait for USCIS to decide on your case. If approved, you will receive your certificate of citizenship. If you're over 14 years of age, you will be scheduled to appear at a USCIS location in order to take the oath of allegiance. If you are under 14, you may not be required to take the oath. If you get denied, you can file an appeal within 30 days of the denial decision, but if the 30 days have expired, you can file for a motion to reopen or reconsider. Step 11. Following up with USCIS. If you're anxious or have any questions about the process, you may try contacting USCIS via their customer service number, or you may check the status of your case via your USCIS online portal. Step 12. Receive your certificate of citizenship. Once approved, you will receive your certificate of citizenship, and that, coupled with your U.S. passport, is proof of your U.S. citizenship. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to stay updated on more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out in the comments or in the details section in the description. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.